Hi everyone, today we are going to see dynamic connection based social group recommendation. Now we are going to execute our project. In this project have two modules, admin and user. User can register the account with the basic information. Once the admin can authorize means user can log in the account. This is the main page. Now we have to, you are a new user means you have to click the new user and give the basic information of the user. You have to select the group because this is based on the group recommendation. User can register the account successfully. After user can register, the admin can view the user and authorize the user. Admin can log in the account with the correct username and password. Admin can see the user and activate it. Once the admin can activate it means user can log in the account with the correct username and password while the user registering. User can see their own profile like a user's information which are entered while registering. Next, user can view the friends and send the request to the particular user. The particular user can see the friend request and accept which the user can give the request. Now the friend request accepted successfully. Once the user accepted means the user can add the post like which is the topic, username, which group they want to post at this post. Like this is the username Satya, group is a business group. In that business group, they can give the post. Now the post is added successfully to the particular group. Next, user can view all the posts and recommend the particular groups also. Now user can view their posts, which the post he can. After that, user can view all the posts and also you have to recommend to your friends based on the group. Here I am recommending the one particular post to the engineers group. For that we have to recommend. this meditation pose we have to recommend to the farmers group. And the future of India pose should be recommended to the business group. For like that we have to recommend the pose to the groups. Next, user can see which are the poses recommended by others, and also user can enter the movements like which the place you are in. Based on that we have to enter the places. The movement should be added successfully. After that, admin can see all the informations. Admin can view all users by groups. Based on that, in the doctor group which are the user is available. In politician group which are the user is available. Based on that we have to see. Next, the admin can also view the post based on the group. In business group which are the posts is posted. Based on that we can see every groups. Next, which are all the posts should be recommended to the other groups or the other users, we can see. Based on that we have to prediction in the graph. First, which the group has more posters. Based on that which the user can see the sites. And the user movements, which group has more movements. This project mainly we have to use for group recommendation based on the particular criteria group. Thank you for watching this video. By OnCrore Projects.